Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing out there. Guys, we are in Houndslow, we are in London. This place is urban, it's unique. We're here to eat Ghana food. They're doing a chop bar experience in London, so we're here to, come on, experience it. Well, we don't know what is in the menu. Fufu definitely in the menu. Akplan will be in the menu, so guys, come along. It's actually hosting in a pub. Well, Kofi Mukaase, I think I'm pronouncing it right. So guys, let's go to Kofi Mukaase in London. Let's go. Let's dive in. Charlie, you start your tilapia no. Easy. Ready fufu ni via. Oh, Fufu Jollof party. Sure. Hey. Mama kasani. Ye. She. Mama. Who are you? Wow. Charlie. Hey, we didn't even move to Facebook this year.
Welcome to Kofi Mukaase in London.
No, it's not live. So what do you have here?
Okay, this is Fufu Light Soup and then a punch.
A punch in a
Cracker.
Wow. And where? And I will say.
The same thing. I feel like I'm home right now.
So what do you have?
I want to sit on the floor and eat my food.
So what do you have here?
I have fufu with a punch.
Oh my God. Now we intestines though. Wow, I hope you enjoy the food. Thank you so much. Thank you. Is it?
Let me put our carpet.
Nice one.
Palm Wine and Guinness. From Kofi Mukaase.
Kofi Mukaase, I can say. So how much is this mix?
He said 35.
35, eh? Charlie, I haven't paid though. Guys, today is a beautiful Saturday. We're in London, Houndslow. Sindako invited me to this amazing event. I'm going to take you through the process, what you have to do. And just behind it, you have some amazing African sandals, slippers. So what you have to do when you get here, you place your order through here. So they'll give you a ticket. Then once you get a ticket, you take it and then give it to the ladies there or the gentlemen there. Then they'll serve you. You can see behind me, the lady is pounding our traditional Ghanaian fufu, guys. I'm looking forward to munch this delicious. I'm actually looking for light soup or palm soup. Oh, guys, I'm hungry. Make sure you don't miss the next one. Keep locked up to the channel so that anytime I post, you'll be the first one, because this one is a thing. It's going to stay forever. So keep watching. I'll take you through the whole process today. So is it your first time at the Kofi Mukaase's event?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's very good. I like the food especially.
Yeah.
I'm a Ghanaian, so like I tried most of the Ghanaian
Okay.
No.
And it was very good.
Good. What did you have?
I had fufu and
Granite soup.
Yeah.
With namen, like like mix, eh?
Yeah, mix.
Bro, do you speak Chi as well? Are you Ghanaian as well? Yeah. Oh, okay. Do you have any food? Do you have any food today?
Yeah.
What do you have?
Green soup.
Green soup.
Yeah.
Oh, green, eh?
Yeah, green, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Very delicious.
Yeah, sorry, there are a lot of people were having it.
Yeah.
What's the local name? Is it Abono? Abono. Yeah.
I tell you.
Which region is Abono from? Is it Central or Fanti?
I don't know.
I think yeah, but a lot of people were having it. Like even the family they're having the I think I need to try it. I need to try it.
It's very nice.
It's very nice, right? It's very rich in like nutrients, I believe. Yeah. Well, nice to meet you guys.
Nice meeting you.
Watching media video. Oh, is wow, that looked nice actually. It looked like home food. I hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
Alright, so guys, all you have to do is you place your order here, you give it this, then you just go and give it to the ladies, then yeah, there you go. It's pretty smooth process. They accept card as well and cash, so there's no problem there. Oh, okay, fancy. I should turn the door so. Oh, now I'm in the man. Oh, I'm a fish. Oh, in the man car. Oh, you have to pay for that one here.
The one you pay for it here. That one is you pay for it here. We're not paying for the only stuff. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Just tell me why.
watching the proper oil. A lot of people eating the plate. How impressive it is. Somebody actually eating it on there.
It's lovely, you guys.
The sauce is very, very good.
Brilliant.
Well, thank you so much. Okay.
Dry fish.
Oh, wow.
Miss.
I bet that power. Enjoy.
Filming, something?
Yeah. 4, 3. I played for a long time. I can't remember the last time I played Lady. How much is the palm wine? Yeah. Palm wine, yes, eh?
Palm wine. Pito.
Where Pito?
No, where ginger drink.
Ginger drink. It's not alcohol.
No alcohol.
No alcohol. Where is it?
5 pounds.
Okay. Alright, because me no scientist. Wow. Kofi Mukaase, London. Make sure you try this ginger drink. No alcohol. Pure ginger. Kofi Mukaase. Vim.
Me say you should be able to catch up. Where would you car? KE15.
Hey, careful. Wow.
What's 15 pounds? 15 pounds. Yeah. Yeah, you come straight here.
Watch it over there. Oh, I can't make these.
Oh, sorry, it's alright, it's alright.
Can't make these.
Is it your first time?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah?
It's lovely. Your food is lovely.
No, I just want to... Let's drink.
Watch this drink.